Hi, I'm Talia and I'm a youth content creator for Yeps.
Hi, I'm Kai, a content creator for the Yeps.
I'm Ava and I'm a youth content creator for Yeps.
I'm Harry and I'm a youth creator for Yeps.
Today, on October 10th, 2023, is World Mental Health Day.
World Mental Health Day 2023 is an opportunity for people and communities to unite behind the theme mental health is a universal human right, to better understand, promote and protect everyone's mental health as a universal human right. Mental health is an important part of our overall health and well-being. Having good mental health allows us to cope with challenges, connect with others and be the best we can in our lives.
Mental health is a universal human right, which means you should be able to access it no matter who you are or where you're from. We all have the right to access quality treatment that fits our needs and respect our rights throughout our lives.
Mental health can affect 1 in 7 young people globally. As a global community, we must challenge the stigma and negativity surrounding mental health and help and support each other to thrive and improve.
By knowing your mental health rights, you can stand up for what's right and for others around us.
You might know your mind, but do you know your rights? Every person's mind is wonderful, complex and different, but our rights are the same no matter who we are and where we come from.
Show your support and raise awareness by using the hashtag Mental Health Day on our social media posts today. Peace.